Suzlon Energy is the name of the counter. It is a stock that was up 5%, and if I'm not mistaken, it's losing ground today on the back of earnings. I believe that there is, in fact, a contraction in the margins that took place. Despite the fact that there was a contraction in the margin, you have a near doubling in the PAT number. Asta, coverage on Suzlon, and if so, what do you make of the numbers? If you bought at levels of 71, would you hold on?
Yes, I would really like to hold this counter because, yes, I know numbers are good. The problem is with the margins because we have seen decline in the margin, and this margin contraction is not only on a year-on-year basis. We have seen this contraction in the quarter-on-quarter basis also. So on both sequential as well as year-on-year basis, margins contracted. So I think the streets are not liking that phenomena, and maybe that's why we are seeing, because other numbers were quite good. So talking about the financial performance as a whole, I think one can remain invested in the counter because ultimate industry tailwind will definitely work in the favor of counter. And we are positive on this counter, recommending the whole price target can be set at around 75 rupees or level.
Okay. All right. On that note, ladies, it's time to slip into the rapid fire segment. You know how this works. I'll throw as many questions as possible at you over the next 2 minutes or so, and do answer as quickly as you possibly can. The first one is to you, Swati, on India Glycol. And this is a question coming in from Joseph, who's writing in from Kochi. Should you buy it at this level or wait for a further fall? The stock is down 1% at 1,189.
Alex, I will suggest to hold on. If any deep correction comes to at 120, 1100 levels, then definitely one can go for a long position, but not at the current market price.
Okay, Macrotech Developer, this is coming back to you on this particular counter. Nirmala from Bagalkot is writing, asking, if you buy it right now for the next 3 months, what could the target be? First of all, would you buy?
Yes, definitely one can go for a long positions at the current market price because the counter is trading nearby the oversold zone, and I believe the pullback rally can be seen up to 1250 to 1300 level. So you can definitely hold on this particular stock.
Asa, a view on the logistics space is being sought by Surya from Bengaluru. He's holding 1,000 shares of Gateway Distripark and All Cargo Terminals each. Would you hold on to those, or would you have another recommendation in the logistics space?
Right now, I would like to hold on these counters because these counters are seeing some certain sort of momentum. So, but just for the momentary purpose, not for the longer term. At the higher price, I recommend to exit from these counters.
Got it. Gensol Engineering is a stock that Jaya wants to know about. She's bought at levels of 1,040 and she's looking for a long-term view. Asta, on the fundamentals, would you hold or exit?
I don't track this counter, sorry, I cannot comment on that.
Fair point. Swati, on the charts, would you hold or exit if you've got a long-term perspective?
Yeah, as of now, I will suggest not to book the losses because the counter is trading near the support zone of 700 rupees. So as long as it holds that level, you can definitely hold on by maintaining a stop loss of 700. A pullback rally can be seen up to 850 to 870 levels. So on every rise, you can definitely exit it.
Asta, quick view, AFCON. Are you suggesting a subscription on this? This is from Vishakha.
No, I'm not recommending it as of now.
Okay. All right. Asta as well as Swati, thank you so much. You've been absolutely fantastic as always. And once again, wish you and your teams a very, very happy Diwali from all of us here at NDTV Profit.